Tired of seeing that something went wrong message on your Bread Savings mobile app? Weary face. It's frustrating when you need to check a balance, make a quick transfer, or verify an interest payment, and your banking app decides to take a vacation. You're not alone. Mobile banking glitches are a common pain point. Today, we're diving into the most frequent snags users hit with the Bread Savings app and, more importantly, the quick, simple fixes to get you back to managing your money smoothly. Let's troubleshoot. Glitch number 1, login or face/touch ID failures. One of the most reported frustrations is the app randomly forgetting your login details or rejecting your biometric ID. You enter your password, it says it's wrong. You try Face ID, it demands you reset it. The fixes. The classic restart. Start simple. Close the app completely, don't just minimize it, and reopen it. This clears out temporary conflicts. Clear app cache, Android, or reinstall, iOS on Android. Go to your phone settings, find the Bread Savings app, and clear cache. On iOS, sometimes the quickest way to resolve persistent login bugs is to delete and reinstall the app. Just make sure you know your primary password first. Check your credentials. It sounds obvious, but if you recently changed your password on the desktop site, make sure you're using the new one on the app. Glitch number 2, transfers and transaction delays. You've made a transfer, but the funds aren't showing up instantly, or you're seeing long hold times. The fixes. Understand hold times. For new accounts or large transfers, Bread Savings and most banks often place a hold on funds, which can be up to 10 business days for new customers. The app won't tell you the funds are available until the hold clears. This isn't an app glitch, it's a security measure. Check your official transfer confirmation or statement details, not just the real-time balance. Verify linked accounts. If an external transfer fails, log into the app or website and re-verify the routing and account numbers for your linked bank. A simple typo can cause a massive headache. Check for daily/monthly limits. Bread Savings has been known to have daily withdrawal limits, sometimes around $5,000. If your transfer is bigger than that, you'll need to call customer care to have the limit temporarily raised. Glitch number 3, the app freezes or crashes. The app simply won't open, or it freezes mid-scroll, giving you a generic error message. The fixes. Update your app. Go to your device's App Store or Google Play. Is there a pending update for Bread Savings? New updates often contain critical bug fixes that solve crashing issues. You'd be surprised how often this is the answer. Update your OS. Ensure your phone's operating system, iOS or Android, is running the latest stable version. Older operating systems can create compatibility conflicts with newer banking app security features. Good signal is key. While mobile banking doesn't use much data, a stable internet connection is vital for secure transactions. If you're using public Wi-Fi or have one bar of service, try switching to your cellular data or moving to a more secure location. When all else fails, contact support. If you've tried all the fixes, you've restarted, updated, and reinstalled, and the issue persists, it's time to reach out. For savings account issues, you can usually contact Bread Savings customer care by phone or by sending a secure message through their online portal. Be ready to provide your account details and a clear description of the error.